Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to show you about plugins which I'm using in my workflow, and you can also get these free. Uh, First plugin is Animation Composer plugin. Animation Composer. This plugin you can simply download free from your Mac or if you are using Windows, and it's amazing plugin. We can get so many things inside this plugin. I'll show I have already installed. Here I have this plugin. Here we have different type of effects, text effects, some 2D layers, motion effects, some transition we have, overlays we have, some shape layer we have, some social media icons. Mostly in my old videos I'm using this Animation Composer 3 plugin. It's completely free. You just need to go to their website. I'll add link in description of this video also. You can simply try free, and you have to add your email and it will come to your After Effects. Okay, this is first plugin which I'm using, and the second plugin which I'm using, which is called FX Console. This is also a very amazing plugin. You can see here it's for simply adding any effect. If you want to add any effect and you not want to go to this effect and preset folder and want to search here, you can simply select your layer and you can press Control and your space bar together and search here everything which you want. Every effect which you can get in this side, you have access in this side also. For example, if I want here blur, gradient map or something, I have option. I can simply Control and spacebar press and it will show me and I'll quickly do. So second plugin I'm using this. It's also completely free. You can download and install. Okay, third plugin I'm using, it's called Motion Tools Pro. This is also free plugin which I'm using. It's for making keyframe smooth. Mostly I'm using for this, and also they have this tool, and using this tool we can change our anchor point quickly, like very fast. Let's I show you. I have this also. Here I have this plugin, and if you can notice here we have this anchor point. I show you previous some video about anchor point, how we can change our anchor point. For example, I need to change my anchor point in this corner, and I need to first select this anchor point tool for changing position, and after I have to go here. But using this plugin, we no need to go to this our anchor point tool. We can simply click this button and it will automatically shift our anchor point here. Simply, if I thought no, I know I need in center, I'll click in center. It show me in center. If I need in this side, I'll click here, here. So it's helped me to change position of anchor point very quickly. Okay, second thing, I'm using these sliders for making my animation smooth. When I'm adding keyframe, for example, this, I add a text here, motion, design, art, and if I change position, I want to add a position keyframe. I want to animate position property. In start, I want it will be here, and in the end, it come in this side like this. And if I play, it's going very bad because of we have linear keyframes. Let's easy is our keyframe F9 I press, and if I play now, it's still not going very smoothly. So I select this keyframe and now I want to change this slider to 89, and if I play now, it will come fastly and after slowly we can see. So mostly I'm using these sliders for changing speed of my keyframes animation, and I'm using this for anchor point. So I have this third plugin which I'm using. You can install. This one is also free. You can get free download this in Mac or Windows, and you can start using. And fourth plugin I'm using, but that plugin is paid. I'm not recommend you to buy that plugin, but if you want, you can. That plugin called Deep Glow, and it's one-time payment for this plugin. If you want, you can use. For example, I add here this Deep Glow. It's third-party plugin. not having After Effects, I pay for this maybe $50. So if you want, you can get this also in. Now they update, and now they have Deep Glow 2, which is cost 100. I have not Deep Glow 2, I have Deep Glow I think 1, which I pay in that time 50. So if you want, you can buy this. If no need, no need. We will not use mostly this, but it's also cool if you want to create some interesting things. For example, if I add glow here, you can see how it's add glow. So here is 4 plugins which I'm using in my workflow, and 3 is completely free and 3 you need to install, because in next classes when I'll start full animation process of